Math. It is overlooked most of the time, and nobody appreciates it, right? But math is everywhere. Everywhere you look, and the most unappreciated one,
Geometry. I mean, literally, no one talk about shapes at all, especially geometries. I'm wrong? I mean, there's so many shapes out there and none of you cares. I'm not wrong, right? Okay, I have 4 topics to talk about. It's really amazing. No joke. I mean, the first topic, we'll talk about the sun. Second topic, I'll show you measurement of the mountain. I mean, literally amazing. Third, I'll show you my pool. I mean, the volume of it, and you guys will measure out, right? And the last one, you guys love the most, probability. What's your chance of getting 4 aces? Whew, amazing. I'm right. Let's head back to the sun. I'm inside the room. Okay, let's go outside. Hello, welcome back. Well, now we talk about shapes. Circles, more precisely. And our topic, arc length. So what's an arc length? So imagine a circle and the length of it, yeah? It should be easy enough. You should know about that. I mean, you finished geometry, right? So we're doing arc length. And we're measuring the sun. Yes, it's pretty big. And what's the formula for the arc length? 2 times pi. Oh, it's pretty hard. 2 times pi. 2 times pi times r, which is the radius of the thing, times dia over 360. What's the radius of the sun? Oh, it's pretty big, no joke. It's about 432,690 miles across. Yeah, that's pretty big, no joke. That's bigger than Earth itself. I mean, you could fit like at least 10 Earth in that radius right there. More than that, I think. Yes, maybe 40 Earth right there. Alright, let's measure the arc length. How do you do that? Well, you plug in the formula, and you find the radius, which is 432,690. Plug in the r, and you measure the whole thing, right? The whole arc length, which is 360. So you just plug in 360 for theta. What do you get after that? Very big number. 2,718,671 miles. That's a lot of Earth. I mean, you can fit at least 200 Earth in a circle around it instead of enough space to walk. Yeah, that's big. And it just shows you how small you are. How puny you are. No joke. Oh, bye-bye. Okay, so next thing, trigonometry. Crazy? Crazy. But look at this mountain view. Amazing, isn't it? Okay, so from that thing right there to me right now is 66.65 miles currently from that tip to you. And you know what's the angle from you, from me to that tip horizontally? 12 degrees. Now, how you measure that? Easy. Just use trigonometry, and the formula to found that is cosines. Yes, it's crazy. You found that triangle over there, not that triangle, from you to that tip, and you're measuring how far you are from that actual mountain right there, right? It's crazy, but I'll show you how. First thing you do is the formula. What's the formula? Then the formula is cosine over theta equal x equal adjacent over equal hypotenuse or something like that over adjacent. Adjacent between us right now. Imagine this is a triangle, right? Us adjacent is how distant away from us, and hype is from here all the way to that tip, right? And we try to measure that using cosines. So plug in numbers. 12 in dia because 12 is the degrees. Sorry for the car. 12 is for the dia, and it would be equal to x over 76.675. Now you want to keep the x alone, right? Yes, it's pretty easy. So you just multiply 76.65 and then to both sides too. So that would be 76.675 times cosine parentheses 12 parentheses equal x, and you plug that into the calculator. What will be equal to 75 miles. Crazy, isn't it? So yeah, from there, from me right now, from the camera to all the way there, it's about 75 miles. Also, we got some amazing views to watch. Let's see it. Alright, let's head next to the topic number 3. Let's go. There you go. Welcome back. Hello. Welcome to the third concept of geometries. What you think? What is it? It's easy. Just find the volume of a thing. You know, a circle, a square, a random shape you want to think of, or like a pool. Right? Well, what is volume? Volume is just volume. Okay. Alright, let's start. How you found your volume of your pool? It's very easy. Let's just say your pool is 20 feet by 11 feet and the height is 5 feet. Yeah? That'll be amazing. You have that big of a pool. Okay, now let's calculate it. Very easy. Base times height times length. So 20 times 11 and then multiply that by 5, you get that 1100. 1100 is 1100 if you didn't know that. Alright? Guys, it's so easy, you won't believe it. I mean, a circle will be even more easier. You find a radius, you do all the complicated stuff I'm not talking about, and then you find it. So easy. So, what's the next topic? Very easy. No math. Oh, yes, math. You hear that sound? Guess what it is already? We're doing probability. Yeah, probability, you like it. But how do we do probability? With cards. With cards. And what do you do with cards? You do a lot of stuff with it. Like, wake up! I mean, we go back to probabilities, aren't you? What are your chances of getting 4 aces in a deck of 52 cards? Very low indeed, don't you think? Like, an ace? It's very hard to get. And your chances of getting 4 of them in a row is exponentially low. I mean, literally, we're on the topic of probabilities here, and it's so low, in fact, you can't even believe it. No joke. And what's the key concept first? Combination, as I said before. Maybe I did say it, my bad. But, how do you use combinations? Get the number, the thing you wanted, which is 4 aces, so put the 4 on top, and how many things you have in total, which is 52, which is the deck of cards. And after that, divide it. Yeah. And after that, you multiply the next one. For me, it's 3 over 51. Why? Because I took 1 aces out, and there was only 51 card left. So I just put it down there and continue until I reach 1 over 49. And after that, I multiply all of them together to find the chances of hitting 4 of them at the same time. Not the same time, but 4 in a row. What are your chances? So low, in fact, I need to count from the papers. 0.0000036%. That's so low, you go gamble, you probably win before you hit this number. No joke. yes, math is fun, but the chances of you liking it is so low, far more than this. But whatever. Hopefully get my credit and probably pass the class right now. But I hope you enjoyed the video, and I say goodbye.